Hello everyone, welcome to ACEBOTT's assembly video. Today, we're assembling the Water Ball Launcher expansion pack, so let's get started. Take the parts out of the package and check the parts against the parts list. If any parts are missing, please contact support at ACEBOTT.com. Before we start assembling, we need to learn servo angle calibration method in tutorial must read before use. Please combine videos and assembly documentation to build the product accurately. Note: the two holes should be aligned. Note: the concave side is facing down. Note: the servo shaft is on the left. Note: jam the two grooves. Pay attention to the direction of the servo. Should be strictly installed as shown in the video. Note: here the strip holes are aligned with the two raised points. Note: only 4 holes in the round rudder plate can be aligned with the holder, so keep the 4 holes as horizontal as possible. Note: if it is found that when the 4 holes are aligned with the holes of the holder, the chassis is not parallel to the servo, the round rudder plate can be removed to readjust the position. Ensure that all cables are correctly connected before powering on the device to avoid burning the modules and controller board. Connect the servo motor line to pin 26. Note that the brown line connect to G and D. Connect the water bomb gun line to chute. If you bought the QD001, QD002 plus QD005 kit, then you can continue to watch the next assembly camera operation. Connect the wire as shown on the right. Connect the camera line to UART. Note that the black line connect to the G and D.